Hello, my name's Scott Garnett from ICL Fertilisers. I'm Head of Agronomy for the UK and Ireland. In April this year, ICL Fertilisers are running a competition to grow potatoes. We invite all ICL employees and the local community in Boulby to enter this competition. In this competition, we will be judging the largest potato, the smallest potato, the uniformity of 3 potatoes together and how they look, and also the yield that you get from your seed potatoes. This competition will come to an end at the end of summer. If you have a green thumb, we'd love you to be part of our competition and participate with us. We will supply you with the seed potatoes and the polysulfate that you need to grow them, and everything else is down to you. We're excited to start this competition in April, and we'll have more information to actually share with you at that time. What we ask you to do now is to click on the link at the bottom of the video, register for the competition, and we're excited to see what you can grow.